I'll find a spot and I'll move it around almost to see it gets stuck this way. If I pull it up, it moves more. And this is maybe harder to see, easier to feel, and then I start to grab it and I'm like, I have to grab this much to even pull any of it up. It should be really thin. It should be thin. And you start to move, this whole area is really in here. This is all thick. And then here it gets a little thinner. See how thin that is versus I have to grab that much. And you have to have this conversation with patients. Patients will be like, oh, that's just my fat. No, it's your fascia. So I'll just start manipulating. I'll start rolling a little bit, I'm rolling here and it's okay, and then here I hit a wall. This is a wall right here. So when thinking about the creep, what you want to do is so it moves well side to side, but up and down it's more restricted. So I would grab, this is where I would do maybe fingers. You pick up the slack, and then I'm gonna go in the direction where I feel the restrictions. Pick up the slack, and I hold this. What does that feel like? You don't feel a huge change, but eventually once you let go, then you get a little, there, it's moving a little more. You get a little more.